Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to build a beautiful, fully functional Smartsheet dashboard entirely from scratch. Whether you're looking to impress your team, track metrics at a glance, or just get organized, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to set up your own dashboard step by step. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. To start, you'll want to navigate over to the workspace where you'd like your new dashboard to live. Think of your workspace as the home base for all your related projects. It keeps everything tidy and easy to find. On the top left of your screen, you'll see an option that says Add to Workspace. Click that, and you'll notice a list drops down. Go ahead and select Dashboard here. What we're doing is essentially creating a new dashboard canvas, completely blank, ready for us to build on. This fresh start is perfect if you want something tailor-made, not just a template. Next up, let's add a welcoming touch. Dashboards aren't just about numbers, they're about communication too. So we're going to start by adding a rich text widget. Click the Add Widget option and pick Rich Text. This is your space to greet users, explain what the dashboard is for, or provide any instructions. For example, you might type Welcome to Demo Dashboard. Customizing this text is a small step, but it makes the dashboard feel much more approachable and informative for anyone who lands here. Think of it like the welcome mat at the front door. Now let's bring in the real power of a dashboard, the metrics. Hit the Add Widget button again, but this time select Metrics. This widget is your window into the data driving your decisions. After clicking Metrics, you'll need to add data. Here, search for the demo sheet you set up beforehand. It's the data source for this demonstration. Select all the data you'd like to display, then hit Insert. You'll see your numbers pop into the dashboard almost instantly. Think of metrics as those quick-glance figures you want your team to see every time they open the dashboard, like sales numbers, project statuses, or inventory counts. Alright, let's take things up a notch and add some visualization, because sometimes a picture really is worth 1,000 words. Yet again, go to Add Widget, but this time choose Chart. Click Add Data, pull up that same demo sheet, and then select the last 3 columns. Maybe these represent month-by-month trends or regional breakdowns, whatever fits your scenario. You can play around with chart types here: column, bar, pie, or line. Pick the one that best tells your data's story. This flexibility is what makes dashboards so dynamic. You're not locked into one view, and that's the basics. Of course, you can always add more widgets, images, more charts, or summary tables, depending on your creativity and what your team needs. My advice: don't be afraid to experiment. Every dashboard can evolve as your projects do. Alright, if you found this build-along tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want more examples, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what kind of dashboards you're building, and for more Smartsheet tutorials, tips, and walkthroughs, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.